Hello guys, I wrote one back with another video. I hope you're doing well. How was your Christmas? Mine was okay, it was good. Today we did an installation of ShrikeLinux using by then we were using the casa installer, a command line installer, and I promised to make a video on ShrikeLinux using calamares. So this is a video I'm going to make using calamares. And I'll give it 3 GB to CPU. Storage 40 is enough. Okay, this is ShrikeLinux. We are going to install it using a calamares installer in KVM. Because there are some of people who don't know even how to use calamares. I just got it to know that there are some. So I've just got to know that. So I want to make a video. Okay, here we don't have any credential here or authentication. You just click login to continue. I'm sorry for this display. It's just because it's because of KVM, but on the main machine it opens, it displays the wallpaper. And also, if it doesn't, you just go to your desktop here, settings, then you put you choose the wallpaper you would like to use. I have a lot of wallpapers here, so let me try to maximize my desktop, my display here. And this one, it's this one. Alright, this is ShrikeLinux. In ShrikeLinux, we don't have for now. I don't have a desktop launcher to launch calamares, but you can use it via Rofi. But I found that this one, Rofi here, it lays open here. When you use Rofi, you write installer, then you will see it in the result in search. Or else you use this one, you go to system here, you click installer. So this is our installer, calamares installer. Click next. Kampala, it's where I am, Uganda. I always use swap to file. Put here my, let's make this Shrike. And the password in here, the password. So here you can toggle this one on if you want to log in automatically. As you after booting, it will log in automatically, but on my system I always want to request for password to put a security there. So we continue, install now. It's so brief. That's how you install ShrikeLinux using calamares. I hope it's not that hard. All right, another thing I want to say is that ShrikeLinux, it's its own. Remember, I have 3 ISOs. I have ShrikeLinux, but in these 3 ISOs, let me talk about ShrikeLinux and Shrike first. Shrike packages and ShrikeLinux, they are different. What you find in Shrike, some of them they are not in ShrikeLinux. Only here, this Docker, this plank, it looks similar in both, but they are somehow different. So ShrikeLinux, Shrike, let me talk about Shrike. Shrike is a distro which I built after, because ShrikeLinux, it has been there for almost 3 years plus, but it has not been uploaded. I've been using it only by myself until a friend requested for it, and then he talked to me to start distributing it, to start uploading it for other people. Then I did that, and right now we have I changed everything, and the reason why I changed everything is that at first that distro was just for me. I had my selection of application or programs I want. So right now, the way ShrikeLinux is right now is for general. It's for all people. So I'm no longer pushing my favorite programs. I always push those programs which are requested for other people who are using ShrikeLinux. The only thing I think which is there, which is just on me, is only Vim because I love Vim so much, and mousepad. But everything, people talked to me to add them there. So, and Shrike, for Shrike, it's a distro I created just recently, and then it's there. Even I even wondering, I've realized that people like Shrike more than ShrikeLinux. Yeah, but it's always good to have what you like in life. So let's talk about the distro which I've just built recently, called ShrikeLinux. I built ShrikeLinux, I think on 23rd or 24th, I think. I'm not so sure. I will just check and see. I built that distro. I was at work, was bored, so I said, let me try to build a distro. I built a distro, but I said, this distro looks similar like other distros. What should I do? I said, before I wanted to change Shrike or Shrike, one of those distro, to create it, to build it as a security distro. In this, what I mean is that hacking distro. So I said, okay, I have Shrike here, and it is similar with others. What should I do? I said, okay, I will make ShrikeLinux as a hacking distro. So far in ShrikeLinux, I have got 400 hacking tools, pentesting tools there. I already have ISO using calamares, and it's there. You saw a video, you watched a video, I think, some of you. Then Shrike is there, and also I'm wondering, Shrike is doing well because I've just uploaded one video, but I've got like 90 plus views just in just 2 days. And on my channel I find that even to reach 50 or 30, it takes a week, because the channel is still new. It's still new. Wait, just gone to sleep. It's still new. No, most of people, let me first see this. Just gone to sleep just. All right. Yeah, it just has only one video, but people, maybe they are appreciating the work. I don't know. But okay, I turned it into a security distro or hacking distro, and so far I have 400 tools. I'm not using a Black Arch repository, because most of times on Arch Linux, whenever you build, our installer finished. So on Arch Shrike you don't have this. On ShrikeLinux we have where to restart your computer. So I think you get a difference, that these two ISOs are different. They are somehow different. All right, let's boot in, as I'm telling you something. So Shrike, I'm using my own repo. I built those packages. They are not mine. I found some packages on Arch user repository, and another packages were officially for Arch Linux in official repository, the pen testing or hacking tools. So I compiled some, and right now I have 400 tools there. There are 400 tools. My goal is to reach 600. My goal is to reach 600, or I think 600 or 500. Yeah, 600 or 500 tools. Yeah, but the problem I've got, just the problem is that ISO is too big. It's too big, and I don't like big ISOs. After build, I saw it was almost 5 GBs. It's a big volume. It's big, and yet I'm still having 400 tools. So I think other tools, I'll pick the one which are so popular. I had them there, but the ISO is there, and I think I'm going to make a video on it after this one. Only what I've not done is to configure the menu, because the menu, right now it's not I don't have a clear menu to group or to categorize the tools. I've not yet built the menu. It's the thing I have to do, but it will take time, because how will I do it? So far, these are 4,000 tools. I mean 400 tools in that ISO. There are many. I have to create a menu with categories and everything. So, but I'm thinking maybe I can even ship it like that. But again, I see that it's good to have that menu where you can see the automation tools, exploit tools, networking tools, recon, and everything. Like to have a category which shows everything. But so far right now it's still hard for me to do, because the tools are many. They are scattered. They are scattered. I have to settle down and go one by one. But I'm going to make a video on it. I already have the ISO. Alright, we have been installing ShrikeLinux, and this is ShrikeLinux with a plank. People still want this plank to be, and this setup of a bar, but it will depend on those who will complain. Then I change. Yeah, but still we have this one, because it's what right now ShrikeLinux users wants. So that is it. We have here, we still have our Rofi there. We have system settings there. We have this is our Thuna, it's there. We have editor, it's our mouthpad. We have a viewer, is it Illustrator, image viewer. These cannot open because I don't have anything there. If I have trash, it would have shown. Or if let me see if I can trash something. I can trash something, let's say. Then move to trash. Yeah, and let's see. Not yet. I don't know why. But it has. Maybe I'll have to restart. here drivers we don't have. These are workspaces. The one we have here, we have 6 workspaces. We have SC here, battery, icon, or yeah, let's say that. There we have we still have Octopi here. Octopi is here. You can use it there. And what is this? This is clipboard, Bluetooth, appearance is there to change your themes and everything. It's there. And here we have volume, here network, time and date, and app finder in the corner. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to tell you, to show you. Then you give me what you want. You will, okay, your permission. Those who are using ShrikeLinux, should we use app finder as a menu, or we use Rofi? You see how they look like. This is app finder and this is Rofi. So you tell me, yeah, you tell me what to use. Alright, our video will end here. Also, I've added here Firefox is there. I have a FreeTube also is there. I've opened many, it can crash maybe. This is Firefox. I've opened many. Alright, those are the things we have. We have even Brave is there. This is FreeTube, and Brave is here too. You can use Brave if you want to use Brave, it's there. So those are the application, those are the programs we have. I don't know why most of the time I call them application, but it's the same. But okay, let's say those are the programs which are here in ShrikeLinux. Yeah, this is our Brave browser. It's there. It's there. You can use it to everything. I think those are some of things people would like to know more about ShrikeLinux. Alright, our video ends here, and have a nice day wherever you are. Good morning for those who have a different time zone, and I'll see you later in the ShrikeLinux hacking distro. Bye.